boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have a Dustin Lynch song here called Wood on the Fire. So this is a great song, great country-ish song, and it's pretty easy to play as well. Only 3 chords that goes in the same order the entire song, and we will just handle the chords in kind of 3 different ways. Very easy. So let's start this one up. No need for any capo, and let's go over the chords. So we're gonna start with E. So E is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be C sharp minor. So you need a bar here on the 4th fret. So that is from the A string and down. So 5 strings from bottom like this, and then we have 6 on D string, 6 on G, and 5th on the B string. That is the C sharp minor, and the final chord will be A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Alright, so we're gonna look at this in 3 different ways to handle the chords. So the first one will be just 2 downs on E, then 1 down on C sharp minor, and 1 down on A. So very easy. That is 1 round. And that is how the song starts. And then the next variation here of this chords progression here and how to handle it is 4 downs on E, then 2 downs on C sharp, and 2 downs on A. So you just double up there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. So E4, C sharp 2, and A2. Okay, and then we have from about 1 minute and 17 or so seconds into the song, we have this strumming pattern, and that will work pretty much till the end of the song, except from the very last ending there. But otherwise, it's this strumming pattern. Starting on E here, it will be down, 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 up. That is 1 round. So 3 downs and then a down, up. Is 1 round. So with the strumming here, you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds on E, 1 on C sharp minor, and 1 on A. So that will be like this. And that is what you need to handle Dustin Lynch's song called Wood on the Fire. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.